Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing the second Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery unboxing. This is the middle box. I don't remember the names of which ones are which. Supreme maybe? I don't know. I will leave everything listed down below what it is though. But this one is $100? I think so. I think this one was $100, and it is the medium box. If you didn't see my video yesterday unboxing the smaller one, definitely go check that out. I apologize for my no makeup face. I just got off work and I'm filming these now. I don't have time to do my makeup before the sun goes down, so sorry about it. You know, sometimes it's okay to just like chill and not have makeup on. So I swear I just cut these open and it's still not open. This is why I pre-open my boxes when I do like BoxyCharm and stuff, because I cannot do it. I'm struggle busting, guys. Can I just like cut the cardboard? We already took the thumbnail, so you know, that's fine. Oh, it opens that way. Okay, so here is what it looks like opening it up. First thing I see is a hat. So this is like a baseball hat. Annoyingly loud crinkly paper. I'm not like super pumped for this, just because I don't really wear hats, but like it's cute, so maybe I'll wear it. Let's see. Yeah, like I look dorky with hats. I'm probably not gonna wear that, but it's cute, so I'm fine with it. Next thing is this. What are you? This is a t-shirt, which I'm down for. How cute. Okay, so I got mine in an extra large, and this is huge, so I'm gonna be swimming in this, but that's okay. I wanted it to be a little baggy. The back says, "I'm gagging, can't relate. Hi, how are ya?" What's that one say? Jeffree Star approved and iconic. So that's cute. I'll definitely wear that maybe in a video soon. It is big though. Hopefully it'll shrink when I dry it. Okay, next thing I see is the gloss I got. Never mind, no spoilers. This is in the shade Candy Drip. So a pink shade, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, that's very, very pink. That's pretty though. I don't wear a lot of gloss, but I am excited to try his formula. It smells so good. There is that right there. Ignore that swatch there. That's from something else. But it's really cute. I really, really, really love the packaging on his glosses. I think it's so stunning. Okay, next is this. Velour liquid lipstick. This is a mystery shade, so this is the box exclusive item. It says shake well before use. Ooh, pretty. Yeah, it's got a little heart with a little mystery sign in the bottom too. No scent. Well, that's pretty. It's a lot sheerer than I thought it would be, but it's kind of got like a metallic look to it. I like that. What do we want to do next? What's this? Oh, straws, yay. Okay, so this is one of his 4-pack reusable straw kits. I was excited about these. I almost bought some of these once, and they are like a gunmetal, a greenish color, a black, and then a straight black one. I'm not gonna unbox them, but I'm excited for those. I will definitely use them. Let's do this little green guy here. Ooh, okay. That's exciting. This is the mini breaker, the little mini jawbreaker palette. So I'm not going to swatch these just because I am going to do videos dedicated to a lot of the products I get in these, and this is going to be one of them. So, oh, it's so pretty. I really like the shades. I've never tried Jeffree Star's eyeshadow formula, so I'm very, very excited. I really like the purples, and the packaging is super, super cute. I'm very excited about this one. Okay, top that. Let's see. This one is, what are you? I don't know. much bubble wrap. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is a highlighter palette. I have tried his highlights. I do have the Manny, the collab he did with Manny. That's all the Jeffree Star products I have. So, this is exciting. This is the Platinum Ice palette. So pretty. Ooh. These are definitely shades that are up my alley because I'm very pale, so yes, I'm excited. Okay. And the last thing in here, which is also the biggest thing. Is this seriously only the medium box? Crazy. Okay. Last thing in here is, I'm going to assume, a mirror. I don't own any Jeffree Star mirrors. I keep saying I don't own any of this. Obviously, I just said I don't have like anything. I just dropped something. Cool. Okay. Actually, I can just peel that sticker off. He had like 3 mirrors that he was teasing that I'm assuming are just for the Valentine's Day stuff. I kind of want the black one, so fingers crossed that's what I got, but I will be okay with any of them. Just because I feel like I always need a mirror, and these ones are cute, so. Be super stoked if it was a pig mirror, because I love pigs, but I don't think it's going to be. As I'm just aimlessly talking because I'm struggling so hard to tear off that sticker. Okay, we're just gonna rip it. Ouch. Okay. Got it. Ooh, okay. So it's not one of the Valentine's Day ones. I'm super excited about this. That's so pretty. There you guys. It's like a chrome orange, and it's one of the actual star mirrors. This is cool. It's a lot lighter than I thought it would be, which is great because then you can just actually hold it and not feel like your arm's breaking, but really pretty. I really like this color. Okay, that's it for this box. I'm excited about this one. This was a good one. I like that we got like 2 palettes in here. That's crazy. And this is only the medium box, you guys. So I will be unboxing the big one tomorrow on here. So stay tuned for that. For me, it's going to be like 5 minutes from now, but for you guys, it'll be tomorrow. So don't forget to look out for that one. And yeah, if you guys enjoy these videos, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.